why was 2025 different? It wasn't just another year of AI hype. This was the year AI stopped being a novelty and became the backbone of our digital world. Suddenly, AI wasn't just for tech demos or experimental apps. It was everywhere, woven into the fabric of daily life. In offices, AI assistants streamlined meetings, managed schedules, and handled routine tasks so seamlessly that people barely noticed. In media, AI curated content, personalized news, and even helped create stories, making information more relevant and accessible. In education, AI-powered tutors adapted to each student's needs, making learning more personal and effective. Customer support transformed, with AI handling questions instantly, 24/7, in any language. Generative AI, once jaw-dropping, became just another tool, expected to help with writing, design, and problem-solving. The big shift? AI stopped feeling futuristic. It became the baseline, the invisible infrastructure powering everything behind the scenes. In 2025, AI wasn't about what's next. It was about what's normal. The future arrived, and it blended into the background. Are you ready for a world where AI is simply part of how things work? Imagine a world where AI agents work alongside us as digital employees, handling tasks, making decisions, and adapting to our needs. By 2026, personal AI will be more than just a tool. It will remember our preferences, learn from our routines, and offer deep personalization. These AI systems will build long-term context, understanding not just what we do, but why we do it, helping us in ways that feel intuitive and natural. We'll see AI woven into the fabric of our daily lives, with deeper integration into operating systems, making our computers and phones smarter and more responsive. In our cars, AI will anticipate our routes, adjust settings for comfort and safety, and even help us avoid traffic or hazards before we notice them. Smart devices in our homes will work together seamlessly, learning our habits and making life more convenient, from adjusting lighting and temperature to managing schedules and security. But as AI becomes more powerful and embedded in everything we do, the question of control becomes more urgent. Stronger AI regulation is emerging in the US and around the world, aiming to ensure that these technologies are safe, ethical, and respect our privacy. Governments are debating how to set boundaries, companies are developing new safeguards, and users are demanding more transparency and choice. At the heart of this next phase is a core question: who controls AI? Is it the users who rely on these systems every day? The companies that build and maintain the technology? Or the governments that set the rules and enforce protections? The answer will shape not just how we use AI, but how it shapes us, our work, our relationships, and our society. As we look to 2026, the choices we make about AI control and regulation will define the future of technology and our place within it.
Humanoid and semi-humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction. They're entering warehouses, factories, and logistics hubs around the world. In the United States, China, and Japan, major developments are pushing robotics from flashy demos to real-world deployment. Viral robot videos aren't just entertainment, they're proof of progress. Each clip you see of robots walking, lifting, or working alongside humans is a glimpse into the future of industry. These machines are being tested in environments where speed, precision, and adaptability matter most. Warehouses are using robots to move goods faster and more efficiently. Factories are deploying robots to handle repetitive or dangerous tasks, improving safety for human workers. Logistics hubs are experimenting with robots that can sort, pack, and even deliver packages. But despite the excitement, there are still big challenges. Autonomy is a major hurdle. Robots need to make decisions on their own in unpredictable environments. Safety is critical, especially when robots work side by side with people. And cost remains a barrier for many companies, as advanced robots are still expensive to build and maintain. Yet every year, these barriers are coming down. Advances in artificial intelligence, sensor technology, and battery life are making robots smarter, safer, and more affordable. Companies in the US are leading with cutting-edge prototypes, while China is scaling up production and deployment at an unprecedented rate. Japan continues to innovate, focusing on robots that can assist with aging populations and labor shortages. The global race for robotics adoption is accelerating. What we're seeing now is just the beginning. As robots become more capable and accessible, they'll transform how goods are made, moved, and delivered. The next time you see a viral robot video, remember, it's not just a spectacle. It's a sign that the future of work is already here. Stay tuned as robotics moves from demos to deployment, reshaping industries and redefining what's possible.
Robots are moving beyond the factory floor. In homes, they're helping with daily chores, providing companionship, and supporting independent living. In healthcare, robots assist with surgeries, deliver medications, and help care for the elderly, making medical support more accessible and efficient. In service roles, robots are greeting guests, delivering food, and handling repetitive tasks, freeing up people to focus on more meaningful interactions. The convergence of artificial intelligence and robotics is accelerating these changes, making machines smarter, more adaptable, and more capable of working alongside humans. This shift is already impacting the job market. Some roles are being automated, changing the nature of work for millions. But at the same time, new jobs are emerging. Roles focused on designing, maintaining, and collaborating with these intelligent machines. The real story of 2026 won't be about the technology itself. It will be about how we as a society adapt. The biggest challenge isn't building smarter robots. It's learning how to work with them, to harness their strengths, and to redefine what it means to be human in a world where machines are our partners. The future will be shaped not just by innovation, but by our willingness to embrace change, learn new skills, and find new ways to connect with each other. As robots become part of our daily lives, the real risk isn't losing jobs or control, it's failing to adapt. The most important question for 2026 isn't what robots can do, it's how we choose to respond. In 2025, artificial intelligence has evolved far beyond simple chatbots. The rise of multimodal AI means systems can now understand and generate not just text, but also voice, images, video, and even take actions in the real world. This shift has unlocked a new generation of AI agents. These agents don't just answer questions. They plan complex tasks, execute entire workflows, and collaborate with humans in ways that feel seamless and intuitive. Imagine an AI that can read your emails, summarize key points, schedule meetings, and even draft responses, all while understanding the context of your conversations across different platforms. In the enterprise world, AI has become a core part of daily operations. Coding assistants help developers write, debug, and optimize code faster than ever. Analytics tools powered by AI sift through massive datasets, surfacing insights that would take humans days or weeks to uncover. Decision support systems now provide real-time recommendations, helping leaders navigate uncertainty with more confidence. These advances have made businesses more agile, efficient, and competitive. But with all this progress, some challenges remain. Hallucinations, when AI generates information that isn't accurate or real, are still a problem, especially in high-stakes environments. Data bias continues to be a concern, as AI systems can sometimes reinforce existing inequalities if not carefully managed. And as AI becomes more powerful, questions of trust and regulation are front and center. Companies and governments are working to set new standards, ensuring that AI is used responsibly and transparently. So, what's actually changed in 2025? AI is no longer just a tool, it's a collaborator, a problem solver, and in many cases, a decision maker. The technology is more capable, more integrated, and more essential than ever before. But the journey isn't over. The next big challenge is making sure these systems are not only smart, but also fair, trustworthy, and aligned with human values. The future of AI is here, and it's reshaping how we work, create, and connect every day.